Good morning, dear children. Welcome to the English class. In today's class, we are going to discuss your second unit, Avoid Plastics. Nowadays, children, in today's generation, the people are addicted on the plastics. The people are using more and more plastics, isn't it? So, because of this, only we can see the pollution of the environment, right? Even though we know the bad effect of the using plastic, we are using, right? We are not minimizing the product of plastic. We are not avoiding the use of plastic. So that is the lesson shows us. So what is the plastic? Where does it come at first? Here you have a lesson of avoid plastic. Avoid means what? Make less use of it, or be away from that thing. Dura iruvanthadu. So avoid plastics is the lesson for you. In the page number 21, you have an activity. So you have to bifurcate which product you like more and which doesn't. For what things in this, so many pictures are there, no? So in that you have to bifurcate and you have to choose which one you prefer more. So the first one, snake skin bag, earthen pot, leaf plate, cloth bag, plastic tumbler, ivory necklace, plastic stool, plastic plates, crocodile skin belt, banana leaves, jute mat, next plastic bags. See children, in olden days or in early days, the people were using less use of the plastic. But nowadays, we are available, this plastic is available so for the cheap rate, right? That is why we are using more and more plastic. We are addicted on that. So this pictures is showing us that how to get rid of the plastics. So children, you must bifurcate these pictures and which one you prefer to use. So that one you have to write, you have to circle in this picture and how to send it to me. That is the work for you today. Okay, now shall we move to the lesson directly. So 22, page number 22. So avoid plastics. So that is the lesson. Hold the textbook and pencil also along with you, because whatever the difficult words comes, you have to underline. While explaining, you must have to note down what are the meanings of the difficult words. Okay, so now I will go to the lesson. It is time to say no to plastic. First paragraph, plastic is not a strange product to anyone. It is everywhere in the present world and it has become a part of our life. Alexander Parkes created the first man-made plastic. He demonstrated it in an international exhibition in London. He named it as Parkesin. So, second paragraph, the common and wide use of plastic is mainly because it is inexpensive, it is long lasting, and it is easy to make. This substance can be molded into any form by heating, and it can be retained in that particular form when cooled. It can be made into thin and light material, which is now widely used to make hard and disposable carry bags or packing materials. So we will go to the explanation, children. In this video you can see the pollution, the bad effect of using the plastics. See, in our daily life also we are using this type of materials which is made up of plastic, isn't it? So we are using in by our knowledge also. ಹೌದಾ, ನಮಗೆ ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ nowadays we are addicted on that, and also we are not avoiding, we are not minimizing the product, or we are not minimizing the use of the plastic because it is very cheap. It is available in cheap rate. That is why we are addicted on that. So that is only here. The first paragraph says it is time to say no to plastic. First paragraph, a plastic is not a strange product to anyone. It means what? It is not a new thing for us. It is used daily in our life, right? So it is everywhere in the present world and it has become a part of our life. So this plastic is more renowned thing which we use in our daily life. It is like a part of life because in our house, if we count the plastic materials, means 90% of the things are contained in the plastic only, right? So that is why we are addicted on that. So who has invented this plastic at first? Alexander Parkes. He is the inventor who invented the plastic. So at first he only invented, Alexander Parkes. He created the first man-made plastic. So he only created the first plastic. Next he demonstrated it in an international exhibition in London. Demonstrated means he is just showed off or he has done the experiment with the plastic in the international exhibition in London. Exhibition means ಅದು ಒಂದು ವಸ್ತು ಸಂಗ್ರಹಾಲಯ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಷನ್ ಇನ್ ಲಂಡನ್, UK ಲಂಡನ್ನಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಷನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಬಿನ್ ಡೆಮಾನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟೆಡ್, ಹಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಬಿನ್ ಶೋಡ್ ಆಫ್, ಹಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಡನ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಲಂಡನ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ UK. ಹೌದಾ, UK ಯುನೈಟೆಡ್ ಕಿಂಗ್ಡಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ಲಂಡನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಷನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲೆಕ್ಸಾಂಡರ್ ಪಾರ್ಕೀಸ್ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ ಅವನು ಒಂದು ಡೆಮಾನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರ ಮೂಲಕ ಸೊ ಹಿ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ದ ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಅಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್. After he has been discovered this plastic, he only named it as a Parkesine. So at first, at early time, the plastic was called in the name of Parkesine. So it is named by the Alexander Parkes, who has been discovered the plastic at first to the world. He who has been introduced the plastic to the world. So I hope you understood this much. Now we will go to the question, who invented the plastic? Who invented the plastic, children? I am asking you. Okay, Alexander Parkes invented the plastic. What did he name it? He named it as a Parkesine, isn't it? Next we will go through the second paragraph. The common and wide use of plastic is mainly. Common means commonly we are using without care, isn't it? The wide use of plastic, a broad use, the more using of plastic. Wide means ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಪಂಚದಾದ್ಯಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಮೇನ್ಲಿ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ inexpensive. Inexpensive, opposite word of expensive. ಇನ್ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಿವ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಅವೈಲಬಲ್ ಇನ್ ಚೀಪ್ ರೇಟ್, ಕಡಿಮೆ ಬೆಲೆಗೆ ಸಿಗುವಂತಹದ್ದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಇನ್ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಿವ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ದ ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಈಸ್ ಅವೈಲಬಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಚೀಪ್ ರೇಟ್, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. That means this plastic is eternal for us, no? So we can tear the plastic, but it will not destroy, it will not mingle with the soil, or it will not be decomposed. ಇದು ಕೊಳೆಯೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಿವ್ ಆಗಿ ಸಿಗೋದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೈ ದ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಆರ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಮೋರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೋರ್ ನೌ ಡೇಸ್, ಈವನ್ ದೋ ವಿ ನೋ ಇಟ್ ಕಾಸಸ್ ದ ಪೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. Next, children, this substance can be molded into any form by heating, and it can be retained in that particular form when cooled. That means what? We get the plastic materials in different shapes. It may be like a handbags, it may be like a pots, it may be like a tubs. We are using jugs and glasses, bowls, plates, everything are available through this plastics only, no? So it is molded. Molded means making different shapes into any forms. So whatever the shapes we needed, that like that we can mold, we can change by heating it. ಹೌದಾ, ಬಿಸಿ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರ ಮೂಲಕ, ಹೀಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರ ಮೂಲಕ we can change into a different shapes. And also it when it cools, so ಯಾವಾಗ ಅದು ಕೂಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ that time its shape become permanent. Next, it can be made into thin, that means in a lightweight material, which is now widely used to make the hard and disposable carry bags or packing materials. Widely means everywhere the people are using this plastics, and it is disposable. Disposable means it is in your glossary, mean to be used once and throw. So use and throw. Disposable means use and throw. So the plastic is cheaply available, so that we use this, and disposable. It is disposable means we after we use we just throw it outside, and it is used as a carry bags or packing materials. The carry bags means you know na, so when you purchase the ingredients, you will carry those ingredients in the bags only, that carry bags only, no? So we are using widely all over the world, not only in city, not only in the village, everywhere it is widely using because it is a cheaply available material. Okay, I'm going to stop here, children. Rest of the paragraphs I will explain you afterwards. Now today's work is what are the difficult words you feel that in these two paragraphs you have to choose 10 difficult words and use dictionary and write the meanings of that words in English only, and send that to me, including that who invented plastic, what did he name it. So these questions answers also you must write and send it to me. Okay, thank you.